Hey, what up guys, and welcome back to another episode. This is going to be a short one today. I just want to keep the content coming. I'm trying to do at least one upload a week for you guys. So in the name of consistency, I'm just going to drop this right now. So it's not too long for you guys. Yeah, pretty much this is me going to take collection of my new van. If you've seen the other episodes, you'll see I blew up my other van. My other van engine seized up on me, okay? But we're moving on, and now I've got the new van. So this is me taking collection from that down in Palmy, or where was it? Fielding. I took collection of it down in Fielding and then headed back up to Auckland on the day of the floods. I really wanted to incorporate everything I did to the van, everything I want to do to the van in one video. Like I wanted to buy the van and then show you the transformation after I do the tints, lower wheels, all that kind of stuff, LED lights, whatever. Little bits and pieces, little touches I put on it myself. This is me going to take collection of the van. Why am I holding this, you might ask? I don't know. I'll put it down. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for watching, really. If you could spread the word as well, maybe get someone else to subscribe to this channel. Really, thank you guys for watching. Like, I don't know where the channel is going. It'll evolve over time. I guess the first thing is just getting started, right? So hopefully you stay on this journey with me and just keep watching the shenanigans that I get up to. Hopefully we'll get Annie back on a few more shows soon. Yeah, it's just fun. So I hope you enjoy some bit of Kiwi action. Auckland, New Zealand based, of course. Leave a comment if you want to see something in particular too. Might get into some pranks soon. But thank you guys. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Time to go get on my plane. I think it's one of these small planes. Fuck, I'll just drive it myself. I'll drive the plane. Hope it's not cancelled. I better check in. Trying to get into the bloody upgrade. I want a fucking upgrade. I just want to get to my seat, man. I want a coffee too. Tell time 9:51. Done it. Now who's going to make me my coffee? Morning. Can I get a large flat white, please? That's all, thank you. Fuck, that's a big fucking Dunkin' Donut fucking coffee. How do I open it? Fucking hell. Fuck you, Anil. Fuck you, Anil. I'm looking for gate foldy, homie. 34 to 50. Regional. Looks like I'm delayed. We're finally at the departure lounge. No, we're not. We're finally at the boarding gate. The departure gate, yeah. I'm with my new friend Leah, who I met in the lounge while we were waiting for our delayed flight. And hello.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, how you go? Thank you.
Cheers.
Alright. Nice to meet you.
Have a nice flight. Just boarding my private jet with all my friends. Hello.
Hi.
You too.
See you later.
Thanks, see ya. Bye. Alright. Just got here to the airport. Looking for a Toyota Hiace. Next minute, I'm at the wrong airport. Here it is. Hey mate.
Hey, you must be Rowan.
Rowan. We've now picked up, we have taken collection of the new van. There's a WRX for 30k at the car yard. Here. Taking collection of the new van. First impressions, tidy. Just setting up everything. You know. Charged a GoPro too. This cunt goes flat real quick. Straight back to how we were. Fucking, I can't believe that van blew up on me, man. It's alright, we'll get a new motor for it in due time. Worked fucking hard now. What's the difference between USB 1.2.1A and USB 1A? Something up your asshole. Oh, I brought the fucking wrong one. I brought a USB-C. Penises. I don't believe that rubbish. I didn't bring an iPhone fucking charger. Gonna have to go. Amada. We're right at the roundabout. We'll go somewhere and have a look first. Let's go have a look, eh?
Lens dirty, I play to win and stand sturdy. Mercedes Benz has got that 63. You waiting on my downfall, I'm waiting on my victory. Cross me now, you history. Cross me, that's a christening. You should cross me, bitch. 40,000 on the wrist. I can't lie, I'm a fool with this shit. Take a look at this. I don't hear it, but I hear they talking. But they can't talk about the new Sunday soon. We gon' ride.
So when I get back to Auckland, I want to put the carpet in. Put the carpet from my other van into this van. Take the bull bar, the nudge bar, the steps, the step ladder things, the steps at the back there. Take those off, and need to tint it, lower it. Yeah, so the full list: tint, lowered, carpet, wheels, throttle controller, and yeah, 119,000 kilometers. Now where am I? I better ask. Hey Siri, take me home to Auckland. Fucking tired of you, eh?
This is out the front, so that's the looking at the fence.
And look what we have again. There's another officer up at the lights. He's got a backpack on, he's got the blue police issue short, the radio in his backpack.
My dirty lens.